Hello friend, welcome back to my channel TechW3Way. This is Vijay Kumar. Today we will be see an example of ScreenFlow where we will be create an account with file attachment. After save the file and activate the flow, we will be launch this flow from homepage and app page. Before send the attachment, we will be check the condition. In the account, there is a active pick list value. If active pick list value selected yes, then we will send an attachment. If user select no, then we will do not send the file attachment. So let's get started. So friend, this is an account. I'm opening one record of account. As you can see, there is a active pick list value. If user select yes, then will be send an attachment. If user select no, then we will not send an attachment. So let's get started. So friends, this is my org of Salesforce. You simply go to the flow and create a new flow. Select screen flow, then create. Friends, if you creating an account and nothing do, only save the button. You can see only the name of the account is mandatory fields. So I will select the field of name and the field of active because I will check the condition on this fields. You just select the no and you just select your yes. If you select yes, then we'll send that attachment. So I will be take input field of two only. So in the flow, I am changing the auto layout for two, three, four. There is two type element and manager. Basically, a manager, we will create a resource variable and in element, we will create a screen flow. So simply screen flow drag and drop here. Here is the name of the flow. So I am writing account info details. So I will take two fields, first name and second active. Name will be data type string, so I will take only text field. And second, it is a pick list value, so I will select a pick list value. Pick list. Pick list, the name of the pick list is active. Because pick list is a drop down select option, so we will create a choice set here. Choice set, pick list choice set. Because I am fetching the pick list value from account object. So here is the active pick list. The name of the object is account. Data type pick list. Field name active. Active is a custom field. This one. Custom field on account. And do same as it. Then done. After that, done. Match the arrow. So I created a screen. After that, we will create a record of account. So in the left hand side, create a record, drag and drop here. Create account. I will create one record. Here is asking choose the object name. So I am creating an account. So I am selecting account name. First, you need to select this option. Use separate resource. Account will be account. This is the account. I am selecting account. Here is the name of the field and here is the name of the value. So this is the field name of account. So I am selecting name. And here value will be come from screen flow. So this is a name. And then is another one field I am selecting active. Active is a custom field and value will come from screen flow. Active pick list. Then don't forget to check the manual assign variable because I am storing the record ID of account. I am creating a new resource here. Variable API name account ID. Data type text. Then save and done. Here I created a account and storing the account ID. Here. So friends, after creating an account, I will be send an attachment. So I need add a screen flow here. Send attachment. The name of the label of flow is send attachment and will be select a upload file. In the upload file, where user can select file. Name of the input upload file. Send file. Send file. And there is a ID, related record ID, that is coming from create account. Account ID. This one. After that, done. Configurator, configure footer, no. Done. After that, match the arrow. So friends, first after that, friends, as you know, before send an attachment, we will be check the active of the selected option. So before this screen, I will make a decision. So there is a decision. Check decision. In the outcome, there is two outcome. First outcome, if active, yes. Resource active equal to yes. And other one, if active, no. Active text value equal to no. So I make a decision before upload the attachment. If active text value is yes, then we'll send an attachment. So I will match the screen flow. If yes, if active is yes, then it will send an attachment. Otherwise, no need to send attachment file. So friends, after submitting the account and send an attachment, we will be display a thank you message. So here I will be see create screen flow, another screen flow where we will be display thank you message after submitting and create a account. Thank you. And in the level of the thank you display. Thank you. And we will select display text. Display text. So in the display text, after submit a send attachment successfully. Thanks. Text. The API name is and message will be thank you for create an account and send a file attachment. Make the bold, change the color to green and done. And after I look my thing, you will see the screen flow and I am putting the name here, create account and send attachment. The name of the flow is create account and send attachment and save it. After save, I need to activate this. Flow is saved and activated. Then we need to launch the flow from home page. As you can see previously, after activating the flow, we will be launch the flow from home page or app page. So now I am launching this flow on home page. So friends, this is my home page. In the home page, in the right hand side, I will call the my flow. Go to the setup and edit the page. In the left hand side, search flow, drag and drop on the right side on the top. Choose your flow to cross this icon and select your flow name. Create account and send attachment. This one. This is my flow. So I selected this name of flow, then save it. File has been saved. Activate this. Assign as default for save, save. Activation successfully. Go back. Yes, friend, you can see on my home page, my flow is coming. So I'm creating an account from here. So Vijay account, the name of the Vijay account, and first I am selecting yes. So if I am selecting yes, the another one screen will coming for file attachment. So friends, account is created, but file attachment file the screen of file attachment not display. So let's check my flow condition. Active equal to yes, no. Here is wrong. Actually, if active, there is a checkbox option. There is no true or false. It is a yes or no. Yes. No. It's contain equal to yes. If active contains equal to yes. And second option, if active equal to no. When equal to no, contains is active equal to save and activate once again. Now I am creating once again. Refresh the file. Friends, I am creating once again. The account name is Vijay1 SSC, and I am selecting yes. If selecting yes, the another one screen will become called file attachment. Yes, you can see the file attachment coming. Here user can select the attachment file. Select the file attach. Then go to the next. After submit the file attachment, thank you message will be coming. File attachment successfully done and the thank you message coming. Go to the account and check your file attachment successfully or not, your account created or not. So yes, you can see the file name Vijay1 account has been created. But inside the record, you will check the attachment. In the related list, there is a file attachment file, and here is the storing attachment file. So you can see created account has been successfully, then send an attachment file. Attachment file stored in the file attachment. If user selected active equal to yes. Now I am using this flow in custom app. So go to the app here. Similarly, you can launch this flow in custom app. So friends, you can create a custom app from Lightning App Builder, and I created my custom app and go to the edit page. Call the same flow in your custom application. Select the flow from here, drag and drop inside the app. After drag and drop flow, you need to select your own flow name. So my name of the flow is create account and send attachment. Select my flow name and save, then activate this. File has been saved, then I am activating this. Go to back. My custom application. I am creating account flow here, and this time I will select it no. So if you selecting no in active select option, there is no screen flow coming or upload a file. So Vijay account 2, and this time I am selecting no, then next. So it will create an account and no display attachment, because condition is if select yes, then will come file attachment. So go to the account and check your account has created or not. Yes, you can see Vijay account 2 has been created successfully from my custom application. So friends, thank you so much. You create from your side. If you facing any issue, please write in comment box. And if you did not subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe and share. Thank you so much.